Hello. Hi, Miss Priya.
Hi, teacher.
Hi guys, how are you all?
I'm good. How are you?
How are you?
Good. Sorry
I
guys, I
have
was a
one
couple of
question.
minutes late, right?
That's okay.
Teacher, I have one question.
Tell me, ma.
So it's about question 4.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and it says that the width's bigger.
What? What about question 4?
So in question 4 of the area one,
Hmm.
it says that the width's bigger than the area.
Width is bigger than the area. Can we check on that now?
Yeah, it says the how long is a rectangular strip of land with the width of 5 and
Can I
4, 5
can I
or
can I
over
please share
4
can I please
kilometers.
share your homework and then we'll discuss? Is that okay, ma?
Uh-huh. I don't.
I'll share the homework with you, ma, from the classroom and you can explain to me what you're saying. Okay, otherwise I'm not understanding what you're saying and all this stuff, right?
Miss
Mm-hmm.
Priya, the fourth question on the test was super hard and super easy. Yeah, it's so
Okay, guys. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to share with you. I completely see each of your rants and each of your feedback. Let me go through your homework. We'll see. Okay, I'm there now. So, you had a question on area simple and spiral review, which was a hard revision, correct? Now, I'm going to go ahead and share screen with you. Good job, Adrit. Your mom sent me your grades. So, very good. Very nice to see. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay. And there was also something that your mom said. I forgot. I wanted to check with you on that, but wait. Okay,
really
which one should I take, guys? Which one should I go over?
hard version,
Which one, ma?
The area
hard
simple.
revision.
The hard one, yeah.
Hard one. Varnika, which one did you want?
So I had a question on the area simple number 4.
Okay, first let's go over that because she was asking, right? Okay, now Arnav and Pranavi, you cannot switch off videos when we are in class. It's a hard rule. Okay, I will move you to waiting room if you do that. I am sorry, but yeah, go ahead.
On number 4,
Mm-hmm.
don't understand the problem because it says that the width is bigger than the area. So that's like that's like something I'm confused about.
Definitely, that seems incorrect. Yes, Sid, go ahead. I'm checking. Go ahead, Sid. What is
Oh
that?
yeah, that one.
Question 4, the answer if the width is bigger than the area, then that means it has to be lower than 1, the answer.
Good thought. What do you say about that? You say
Uh,
Sid has a good point, I think. What do you think, Varnika? Go ahead, Sid. Explain more a little bit.
Because if it has an area of
Mm-hmm.
3/4 square kilometers,
Mm-hmm.
but the width is 5/4 square kilometers. If you multiply 5/4 by 1, you would still get 5/4, but that's not 3/4, and 3/4 is lower than 5/4, so you would have to go lower than 1.
What do you think? Kanish, Varnika, do you want me to help you with that? So basically, width of 5 by 4 area means area is equal to length times width. Area is 5 by 4 is equal to length you don't know. Width is 5 by 4. Area is 3 by 4. Correct, ma? So now I can, what should I do to find out? I have to find out L, right? So divide by 5 by 4, divide by 5 by 4 on both sides. So what happens? 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 4 equal to L times 5 by 4 divide by 5 by 4. So how do I write this? 3 by 4 times 4 by 5 will you be equal to L times 5 by 4 times 4 by 5. So this becomes L on one side, the other side is 3 by 5. L will be equal to 3 by 5 kilometer. That means you multiply this 5 by 4 with a number less than 1 to reduce the total value to 3 by 4. Makes sense, Varnika?
Hi, Miss Priya.
Hi Kanishka, did you understand Varnika?
Yeah.
Okay, can we move on? Yeah.
I had a question on the other like the
One
hard
second,
revision.
Pranavi. Varnika, did you finish all your questions in this?
Yeah, I finished all the questions.
Arna, what is your question? You had some questions in this, right? Sid has some. Okay, go ahead. Both of you. Arnav and Sid.
You just answered it.
Oh, okay.
No,
How about you, Sid?
I just want to say that I can't see any of the top writing. Like, it's kind of cut.
I didn't write anything on the screen right now. Do you see any writing?
I see writing. It says like, I see 4, I see 3, I see 5, I see L,
Amma,
and I see.
no. I have not written absolutely anything. Let me see. You are seeing the Google Chrome screen, right?
Yeah, I see it too.
Yeah,
Yeah, I didn't write anything. There's a question number 4 on the board, that's all.
really? I see writing.
Same.
I see
Same.
too.
Me too. Same.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. Interesting, guys. I'm glad you're all saying that. Let's see now.
Maybe it's glitching.
I don't know, ma. How about this?
That's good.
Yeah, I can't
Okay.
see anything.
Okay, good. So now I'm going to stop this. Okay, I'm going to close this. Let me go to the challenge set. Area simple, area hard. This is the time for you to ask any questions on the homework, Sanskriti. Guys, you have to log in with your own names. Whenever I don't see your name, I'll move you to the waiting room. That is hard rules which we have framed up this last session. You have to have your own names. Please rename yourself. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's go ahead. What do you need here?
Question 37.
Question 37.
It's either 36 or 37.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's 37.
What is your question, Pranavi?
Oh, so I didn't really wait. I didn't have a question.
Who had
It
a
was me.
Okay, Sid, let's go.
Oh, yeah, same.
It was
Any question on this? Good guys.
B and C that confused me.
Okay, thank you for opening the meeting.
37.
1 second, guys. Sally is making oatmeal cookies for her students. Okay. For every 1.5 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, I'm going to write that in here. Guys, I will explain this myself. For every, I'm going to write ground cinnamon and then cooking oats. Let me write both here. Okay. For every 1.5, what is this? Teaspoons. Okay. She adds, so teaspoons, let me write it. Okay. And then I add 3.25 cups of cooking oats. Sally, increase this ratio by a scale factor. Scale factor means you're going to multiply with that number. That's what is a scale factor. If that number is bigger than 1, the quantity increases. If that number is less than 1, the quantity decreases. Okay. Now using the given scale factor, so what is happening? Ground cinnamon by cooking oats, that's the fraction, right? That's what she's using. First she's using 1.5 teaspoon for every 3.25 cups, correct? So that will be the same as use the given scale factor to represent this problem situation with a proportion. So times 4.5 times 4.5. You all are good with decimal multiplication, right? What should come here? 3.25 times 4.5, 1.5 times 4.5. What is that, guys? What is that? 4.5 times 1.5 is what?
The numerator is 6.75.
Good job. 6.75 teaspoons of ground cinnamon with what? 3.25 times 4.5 is what? What?
I think it's one.
1 4?
One 14.625.
Good. So now represent the ratio comparing the number of
Wait.
cups of cinnamon to the number of cups of oats. We'll go to the problem B later. First of all, use the given scale factor to represent this problem situation with a proportion. So the ratio of ground cinnamon with cooking oats, ratio of ground cinnamon with cooking oats remain the same. But you cannot have decimals like this. What is this, guys? You have to have nice numbers if it's a fraction, right? You need to simplify this better. So times 1000, take away the decimal, times 1000. So what happens here? 6750 by 14, 625. Now can we simplify it, guys, using 25?
Wait, I don't understand that
Please.
part. Like,
What is that you didn't understand, Pinavi?
after you found out the the 6.75 times.
Yeah, how do you simplify? This is all decimal by decimal. I cannot have decimal by decimal in a ratio, right?
Mm-hmm.
Both should be nice numbers. How do you simplify this decimal? How do you divide 6.75 by 14.625, Pranavi?
You
Multiply by
Multiply by? Denominator should take away the decimal. Multiply by?
1,000.
1000. So that becomes 6750 divided by 14625. Now divide by 25. If you divide by 25, what happens? Divide by 25, right? 5, 25, 125, 135, 145, 21. So 8, 12, 5. Again, divide by 25 here. 2, 17, 175 is 7 and a 0. Now I can do by 5, right? Right, if I do by 5, 5 5s are 25, 2, 54. Still it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, 3 6 are 18, 6 by 13. 6 by 13 is a simplified fraction.
So that's all. This is simple. That's simplified to 6 by 13.
Yes.
Okay.
But do you understand how I am simplifying this?
Yeah.
Okay, who did not? 37, right, Ma? Who did not understand this problem? It is important that we understand, guys, and you raise up if you don't.
Do we have to do another B?
This problem.
Huh?
I didn't really understand it.
What is that? What is that you didn't understand? Wait. Let me quickly. Yeah. So it is 6.75 by 14.625. Correct, guys? That's right. Okay. So that simplifies to 6 by 13 is correct. Okay. Now, what is that you don't understand, Ma? You have to rise up. Whoever didn't understand, you have to rise up.
I didn't understand it.
You didn't understand it?
Yeah,
Karthik, where did you not understand?
like this, the part you just showed us, I didn't understand that earlier.
Oh, now you understood?
Yeah, now.
Okay, Sanskriti, you did not understand this, is it?
No, I understand it now.
Okay, who did not understand? I'll go over with them. Guys, all of you got it?
Yeah.
I just
That's
don't
interesting.
understand number B and C.
Okay, B, I'll go there. I'll go there to B. I'll go there to B. Okay, so now they just want to represent this proportion, right? If you represent this, this is enough. Okay, this is your proportion. Two ratios are equal. But I would never want a decimal by decimal. That's where I wanted this 6 by 13. Got it, guys? Okay, now let me go to B.
Wait, can you wait?
Sorry.
Wait, could you explain the B?
Yeah,
Again.
with all this in place. Okay, let's see. No, I wanted to erase and have a clean copy. That's fine. Represent the ratio comparing, it's okay. Number of cups of cinnamon to the number of cups of oats. Oh my God. Number of cups of cinnamon. Okay, there is a conversion involved. Do you all know how many teaspoon is a cup? Why don't you find out? Vaibhav, why don't you find out? You're keeping two.
You're muted.
I think you're on mute.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I just want the conversion between teaspoon to a cup.
Is it 48?
Good. Okay, that's nice. So y'all know. Sorry, guys. See, only when you tell me I'm on mute, I saw that. So now, oh my gosh, 30. What was the problem number? I'm sorry, guys. 37, right?
37.
Sorry. If I
Miss
click on
Priya,
30, yeah, ma.
can we also review
Ma, whatever you want, we'll review. But let's go one by one. Let's go
34?
one by one. Okay. Can I move on now? Can I
Yeah.
move on?
Yeah.
Okay, first let's do this. Let's finish this completely. Okay. Represent the ratio of the number of cups of cinnamon. You all know 48 teaspoons equal to 1 cup. What are they talking? They're talking about 1.5 teaspoon. 1.5 teaspoon. So how many cups is that, guys? How do I calculate it?
48 divided by 1.5.
Really? Sid, I am coming to a smaller value of teaspoon. So what should happen? Sanskriti, go ahead.
It would be more because tablespoons are bigger than cups. Wait. What are we doing? Tablespoons to cups
We are
or
doing
cups to
teaspoons
tablespoons?
to we are doing teaspoon to cup. Now I am
Yeah,
finding
teaspoon.
1.5 teaspoon is how many cups?
Oh, because cups are bigger than teaspoons. So then, because you have to have a bigger number.
So what happens here? How to convert them to cups?
You would have to multiply 48 by 1.5.
Who can explain this? Sid, can you
I
tell
can
me
do
how to
I
make
can.
this? Yeah, go ahead, Izzy.
Okay, so basically what you have to do is because um teaspoons? Yeah, teaspoons are smaller than cups. There are more teaspoons than there are cups. But they're equal the same thing. So what you have to do is you have to multiply 48 by 1.5 and you'll get the number of cups.
That doesn't seem right.
Oh.
Okay, this
think
is
I
a
know.
harder assignment. Kids that are only prepared can do this assignment.
if you-
I feel
If you
hereafter I'm going to-
multiply 48 times 1.5, you'll get more than 1 cup. But if 48 teaspoons is 1 cup, then 1.5.
You have to divide 48 by 1.5. No, I think I got it. Isn't 1.5 just half of the one? Isn't 48 divided by 2.5 teaspoons? So 48 plus 24 equals 1.5 teaspoons.
How? Vaibhav, how do you convert? Can you think about your thought? Tell me about your thought.
Oh, right.
Because
Um,
I'm a little concerned now. We covered so many conversion questions. I am really concerned now. I'm not going to move forward with any questions
Wait, Miss
unless I
Priya.
get all these right. I'm going to go to conversions. Yes, go ahead.
What he said was also correct because if 48 teaspoons equals 1 cup and there's 1.5 teaspoons, like, wouldn't it be like, wait.
I like your thought process.
Less
48
than-
teaspoons is 1 cup
less
means
than 1
1.5
cup.
teaspoon should be
Less
so
than 1
less than 1, guys.
Oh.
Bihan, go ahead and tell me how to
oh.
do this
Oh,
conversion.
wait, you can use the double
Let me
number
ask
bar.
Bihan. Yeah, you can use the double bar, right, Sid? See? How many conversions we did? Bihan, go ahead and tell me how will you convert it? See, I become so frustrated if this happens, guys. It's so important that you guys keep reviewing. Next week, I am going to give you the homework on this one. I'll only discuss this. I will not even move forward. That's what will happen. The class will slow down. If you can't remember what we did. Vihan, go ahead. How to do this conversion? 48 teaspoon is 1 cup. What is 1.5 teaspoon? How many cups? Vihan, you tell me, Vihan. I'll work with you. Go ahead.
you make
A double bar line with 48 teaspoons equal to 1 cup.
Okay, let me do that. 48 teaspoon is 1 cup. So what do I do?
Miss Priya, I got the answer.
I want him to answer. It was a question to him. Vihan, go ahead. If others need, you can go ahead and chat. Go ahead.
And then,
We are going to be respectful to each other. Go ahead.
if you divide by 48, you'd get
Very
1
nice. You
teaspoon.
divide by 48, you get 1 teaspoon. Good. So this as well, what do I do, Vihan? Good job, Vihan. Go ahead.
And then that becomes 0.48.
No. 1 divided by 48 is not 0.48. Let's put it as 1 by 48. Don't worry about it. Now what do? You need it for 1.5 teaspoon, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So what do? For 1.5 teaspoon, 1 was multiplied by 1.5,
Times
correct? So what should I do here to get that?
Times 0.5.
Times 1.4, 1 by 48 times
1 and 5 tenths.
1 point
1 and 1.5.
1.5. So here the answer is 1.5 divided by 48. Now that is the answer. Basically, what is 1.5 divided by 48? Who can tell me? How can I write? How can I simplify 1.5 by 48? Let me erase everything. What is 1.5 divided by 48? How to simplify this? Vaibhav, you're keeping too quiet. Now I want you to answer how to simplify this. They want it as a percentage.
You can multiply 1.5 times 10.
Good. This one also.
Yeah, and then you can also multiply. Yeah,
Okay,
so
now
it'll
I
be
have
like
15 by 48. Now what
115
to
by.
do?
Wouldn't it be 480?
Sorry. Good. Good catch.
And then you would have to divide it.
You want to divide it? No, you can simplify by 5, right?
Yeah.
3 by 96 and then 1
And
by
then you can simplify
1 by 1 by
30.
32. What is 1 by 32, guys? 1 by 32 is a decimal. 1 divide by 32. What is that? 0. 32 times 0 is 0. Guys, these are all from 5th grade. 1 and then I add a 0. When I add a 0, what happens? Nothing happens, right? So again, what happens, guys?
You
Dot.
also need to add the decimal point.
Yeah, go ahead.
You need to add the decimal point between the two zeros.
Yeah, good. Okay. Okay, 0.0. Good. I put
Oh,
100.
and then you can do 3 now.
3 now. Good job. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4, 41. So, can I call it 0.031? But how to convert it to a percentage now?
Oh,
How to
you have
convert it
to move it you have to move the decimal.
Yeah, why don't you all work on that and tell me the percentage? We can talk it aloud, but do it and talk it aloud. Whoever knows can explain.
Me, can I explain?
Can I?
Yeah, I want to see first of all. So basically, what are we doing? We are expressing it as a percentage, right? What percentage is it?
It's
We had 1.5 by 48. We had.
Your optimal thing in the world.
Sent it.
Sid, are you here with me?
Yeah, I just sent it in chat.
But I don't want you to be AIing there. Also, it's snowing so hard. Is it, Sid? How many inches of snow?
You have a blizzard going on right now.
Thick, like.
Oh, for us, it's just like, it's not even like snow, bro. It's just like ice, but it looks like snow.
Oh, it looks like ice, huh? Okay.
Ice from
Yeah, just ice.
It's snowing.
Shall I tell you the amount of snow we are getting here?
Yeah.
Wait, where are you?
New Hampshire. Can I tell you the amount of snow we are getting?
Yeah.
24 inches, 2 feet.
So Michigan? That's so much.
Yes, that's so
It
much.
became 3 feet a little.
It became 3 feet?
Ours is like 3 inches.
All the food in our Walmart is gone.
No, literally, our Walmart is like whipped out.
It's not
Oh,
cold.
really,
It's
guys?
snow.
It's
All the
interesting.
food in the Walmart's gone.
Oh, it's interesting, guys. Okay, good to know.
No,
They said
everything is whipped out.
they said there was going to be 6 inches, but there's barely one.
I think the percentage is 1.1111. No wait, 3.1111. And
Ah, I see.
I don't have to go to school tomorrow either.
I have to
And
stay
I
after
don't
that.
think
I
I
have
have
to go to
to
school
finish
today.
that.
Okay,
School is
I don't have to go to
Monday and Tuesday.
Me too.
I think
okay.
there's probably going to be.
That's nice. Your schools will declare it a holiday. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow your schools will announce. Now, can we go back to our question?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think the
Okay, good.
percentage is 3.1 continuously.
Yeah, that's what I think. Okay.
Yeah, me too.
Now, the percentage changes to 3.1 percentage. That's all. Why? How? 0.031 times 100 divided by 100. If you do, the division by 100 changes to a percentage. When you multiply it by 100, it becomes 3.1 percentage. Tanishka is keeping too quiet. I don't know why. Tanishka, what's going on with her? I don't know. 1 second, guys. Just give me a minute, okay? What's going on? Oh, what is your question? This time we would do area simple division and realized didn't we?
Miss Priya.
Okay, Sanskriti, are you not able to see the assignments in the Google Classroom?
Miss Priya.
1 second, guys. Looks like some of you.
I have a lot of questions in this homework. So.
Yeah. Because this is the hard part of the assignment, right? Definitely you'll have, and I expected that. Don't worry about it. Is my question, is my thought. But wait, I'm having a lot of trouble. I want to give you some conversion problems. Can I give you?
Miss Priya, can you clarify one question for me though?
Go ahead.
Can you clarify question 34?
Amma, we are doing this, right? Can I finish this?
Oh yeah, of
Doesn't
course.
make any sense to go there and come back. We have another question here.
Oh, there's
Now,
a part C?
yeah, represent the ratio comparing the number of cups of oats to the number of cups of cinnamon. Oh my goodness. Let's see. See, the teaspoon to actually in the answer key they have not converted. If they have not converted, then they should have mentioned here clearly number of cups, or they should have mentioned it as number of teaspoon. Here, if they had written teaspoon, then it would have been easier. Number of teaspoons. You see? They didn't do that. You see?
Oh, it's supposed to be teaspoons.
Yeah, that's how they worked out the answer. But that's okay. They gave us extra work. I don't mind at all. Okay, let's go ahead and do what they're asking. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, first of all, Sanskriti, are you able to see the problems in
Wait,
Google
I thought we were doing C.
Yeah.
I am, but I need the previous data, right, ma'am? 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon divided by 3.25 cups of oats. Correct. This is what we converted. Remember, now what they are asking, what ratio do they need? Number of cups of oats. So 3.25 cups of oats to the number of cups of cinnamon. How can I convert this to cups of cups? 1.5 teaspoon. I want to know how many cups. What is the number of cups? Just now we did, right?
Yeah.
48 teaspoon was 1 cup. So 1.5 teaspoon was how many cups, guys? Now you cannot switch off your video. You cannot play with these during the class. Who can tell me how many cups now? Vaibhav, we did that right now. Right now, right? How many cups is equal to 1.5 teaspoon? Let me draw the double bar. This is teaspoon, this is cup. 48 teaspoon is equal to 1.5 cups. I go to 1
You
by
multiply
divided
by divided by 48,
1.
and then you multiply by 1.5.
1.5 by 48 is in here.
So
Okay.
you got
But I want to know about
You got
why it
1
became
by
1. I'm sorry.
6. You got 6 by 13.
So basically this is teaspoon, right? 1 teaspoon will be
Yeah.
equal to how many cups?
1 teaspoon.
Is equal to divide by 48, right?
Oh,
1.5 by 48 cups.
yeah,
Now we
which is,
really want is 1.5. So multiply by 1.5, right guys?
yeah,
Then what happens here? How many cups? Did
0.031
0.
cup.
uh-huh. Guys, uh-huh. Okay, let me come back
6,
to this. No, no,
6
no.
by
We are not doing
13.
what is it?
6 by 13. You got 6 by 13, right?
That yeah, that was for this problem, right, ma? I really want to understand whether we are doing it correctly. Let's see. So this was the conversion we wanted to, right? We are using double bars, it's great. I just wanted to see. Wait guys, I will do cross multiplication. 1.5 by 48. Yeah. Is then 1.5 divided by 48 will be the number of cups, right guys?
Mm-hmm.
That's what we did, right? Does that make sense?
Wait, I thought we. Mm,
We wanted the number of cups ma for 1.5 teaspoons. 48 teaspoons was 1 cup. So 1.5 teaspoon is how many cups? The number
oh,
of
you would
cups is yeah,
multiply it by 10.
1.5 divided by 48. Correct?
Yeah.
Now we are comparing the number of cups of oats. The number of cups of oats is 3.25 to the number of cups of cinnamon is what? Number of cups of cinnamon is 1.5 divided by 48. So it's a lot of calculations. 3.25, right? What is this 1.5 by 48? Let me see. This is nothing but 115 by 480, right? 5 threes are 15, 5 nines are 45, 6 are 33, 30, 32. This is what we got, right? 1 by 32 is what we got. Correct, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah,
30.
1 by
Yeah.
32 becomes times 32. Right? If you have this, see 3.25 divide by 1 by 32, right? When you convert it to multiplication, it becomes 32 by 1. So 3.25 times 32 is what ma? 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4 5, 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6 7, 3 3s are 9. So it becomes what it becomes.
So
Really?
yeah, I
One of
don't.
it. Yeah, go ahead ma.
105.
I kind of
Go
don't
ahead
understand.
ma.
I kind of don't understand C.
You
I don't
can't?
understand. I don't understand it.
You don't understand it. Okay. Whoever understood it, that's fine. Let's move on with this. Okay. This is a part of a very hard assignment. Who did? Okay. I would like to know who did not understand. Just raise your hands. I want to see. Let me address this. Ilma, please raise your hand using the raise hand button. I want some of you to understand, at least for the CB exam. Let's see.
I haven't done this one yet, so could I do it like
Absolutely. Your mom messaged. I did see your mom's message. I want to connect with your mom sometime. Or at the end of the class, we can talk, I feel. Okay. So many. Yeah, you can feel free to say that you did not understand. Okay. Now, I really want some of you to understand. Let's see. Tanishka, you understood it?
Kind of.
Kind of. Okay. Let's see, guys. I'll come back to this assignment. I'm going to copy this. Many of you did not understand, so
So
let's see.
on like my notebook, do I just say like skip problem or something?
No, no, no. I'll come back. Don't worry. I'm going to redo the same problem. I'm not going to go anywhere. You can lower your friends. I'm going to redo it in a way that you all understand. Hold on.
I also have a question on a few other problems.
Absolutely. Don't worry, Ma. We'll go there. Okay. Because see, these are quite important, and particularly if you're all going to take, some of you are going to take CB, you should understand. Let's see. Sally is making oatmeal cookies for her students. Let me simplify this, okay? I'm just going to take teaspoons here.
Wait, I thought we were doing C.
No, no, I'm going to do everything because I don't say, I do think that many of you have not understood as well.
I understand number A and B, but I
Okay,
just
that's fine.
understand
There are people who have not at all understood at all. Sally is making oatmeal cookies for her students. For every 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, please, ground cinnamon 1.5 teaspoon, she adds 3 cooking oats, 3.25 cups she is adding. Any questions on this? Any questions on this?
No.
They are saying she increased the scale factor. Scale factor is the number with which you multiply. You are going to multiply both by 4.5. Okay, so using this given scale factor, represent this problem situation with a proportion. What is the proportion? 1.5 by 3.25. What is this proportion? Ground cinnamon divided by cooking oats. Make sense? That will be equal to, you are going to multiply by 4.5, multiply by 4.5. Any questions on this?
Yeah.
What do you
So
get here if you multiply?
6.75.
6.75
And then 14.625.
14.6.
Very nice. Now we converted that to 6 by 13. Correct, guys?
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah.
This is correct. Makes sense, guys?
We would multiply it by 1,000 and then you would
That's
convert
fine. Okay. Now we are going to convert things to percentage. Let's see. We are good with that, right? Now, again, ground cinnamon. We are converting to, see, both are cups. That's a little tricky. What is tricky about it? Because 1.5 teaspoon only they have given. I don't know the number of cups, but I do know 48 teaspoon is 1 cup. How to find out 1.5 teaspoon in terms of cups? You know, if you don't want to do the double bar, do the butterfly. If you do the butterfly, leave the butterfly wing that has a question mark. The other one, right, divide by this one. Other one divide by, the question mark is there, right, the other number. That's what is the answer for the cups. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Now, how to represent the number of cups of cinnamon? So, cups of cinnamon is what? 1.5 divided by 48 is the cups of cinnamon. Okay, cinnamon by oats. How many is the oats? You know, right? What should I do in the denominator?
3.2.
Good, 3.25. But it is such a big, such a weird calculation. I get frustrated when I see
Wait,
this.
Miss Priya, I thought
Yeah.
it was 1.5 divided by 48, and then you would multiply by 10 and it would be like 15 over 480.
Let's do it. First, you need to simplify this fraction. 15 by 480. What happened to that?
You divide by 3.
That was like 1 by 32.
Good job. 1 by 32 divided by 3.25. What should I do now? 1 by
Multiply
32 times what?
100 by 325.
Why 100? Oh, yeah, correct. Good job. 100 by 325. So, what happens to this?
Oh, you want me to tell? Okay. Could you go back a couple steps? I didn't understand like 2 steps.
Okay, no problem at all. Yeah, ma.
I was just informed that I have to leave 5 minutes early today.
No problem, you can, ma.
Okay.
So 1 by 32 divide by 3.25. I change it to multiplication, guys. When I change it to multiplication, what do? I flip the number. Correct, guys? Do I do that? But I have to, okay. So the ratio between the number of cups of cinnamon is here, number of cups of oats is here, correct? So you are just going to convert it to multiplication, meaning fraction multiplication. Now 1 by 32 divide by 1 by 3.25, that becomes what? I have to see what does that become. Let me see. You can as well say, guys. 10400 I'm getting. So 10, oh my god, is it like this? What did you get, guys?
I think we got a different answer. 3.1111%.
Because I thought we were supposed to do 32 times 325 because no decimals in a fraction.
There is no decimal in the fraction, but then you need to put it out as 100 by 325, right, ma?
Yeah, so
I'm fine with you doing it like that, but what is the final answer we need to see?
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, I can as well do it here. 1.5 divided by 48, we simplified. I just want to be sure. 15 by 480, so that becomes 1 by 32, right, guys? Clear. 1 by 32 is clear. And then you divide by 3.25. Instead, you can write it out as times 1 by 3.25. So that, yeah, it becomes complicated. So here, 3.25 times 32 is what? So 4, 5, 3 to 6, 650, 5, 3 15. You can as well try, guys.
Is it 104?
Yes, that's what I'm getting. So the previous answer we got somewhere we missed, I feel. So this should be, see, I multiplied by 100. So 32 times 325, 3.25 is, I'm getting
10,400.
1 by 104 I'm getting.
But
Yeah.
but last time we did it, we got 3.1111%.
That is because we did it as 1 by 32, right? But that's not 1 by 32, right? See, further we need to do this. See here, this is what we did was cinnamon by oat. See, 1.5 by 48 is the number of cups of cinnamon. Number of cups of oats is 3.25. This we have to express as a percentage. But what we calculated was only this, I felt. 1.5 by 48, we got 1 by 32. After that, I don't think we continue doing it, divide by 3.25 and then see, that gets converted to multiply by 1 by 3.25. So that gives you this answer. Does that make sense? Pranavi, did it make sense?
Not really.
Not really. What? Where are you not following?
After
Sid, go ahead.
Don't we have to turn into a percent now?
Yeah, I did not turn into a percent yet, ma, but till now, did you understand?
Yeah.
For you to turn into a percent, times 100 divide by 100, right?
Yeah.
Times 100 divide by 100. This division by 100 will turn into a percent. So it would be 100 by 104 is your percent. Make sense? I didn't do that, but before that itself, some of you have not understood. Okay, I'll do one thing. I honestly think you need a lot of revision in the conversion problems. Can I give you that first? Wait, let me get you some problems on conversions. We'll see. Meaning, I'm not going to move forward, guys. Give me a minute.
we took a lot of time in class for this one problem.
Yeah, it's okay, right? Some of the math problems are really good to put in effort.
Yeah, but I had like 7 more questions.
That doesn't matter, ma. As long, see, one question will be similar to another one. Okay, how about this? I really want you guys to try this one. 7 quart is how many cups, guys? 7 quart. Let's do the conversion problem because I really feel there's a gap. I didn't even go to C. 7 quarts.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, go ahead. Is equal to how many cups? Do you know 1 quart is how many cups, guys?
1 quart is like
8.
Yeah.
Good, 8 cups.
8 cups.
So now tell me how many 7 quarts is how many cups?
Do we have to put it in the chat?
No, you can shout
7,
out.
56.
56.
56.
1 quart is 8 cups. Huh? 1 quart is 8 cups? Who said
16
that?
That
cups.
was 4.
Yeah, it's 16.
16 cups.
1 quart. 4 quarts is 16 cups. 1 quart is how many cups?
4.
4 cups.
So the answer
7
is
quarts is
28.
28 cups. How did you get that? So you multiplied by 7. Exactly. So let's go ahead with more problems, guys. I'm not that happy. 10 liters is how many quarts? 10 liters. I'm going to give you a cheat sheet. 10 liters is equal to how many quarts? 10 liters is equal to how many quarts? Do you need the conversion chart between liters and quarts, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you.
So we do like 1 liter equals how many
quarts, and then we would multiply that by 10.
Yeah, exactly. Can I give you the conversion so that you can do?
Yeah.
1 lit, or otherwise, wait, let me give you the quarts and liters. So you're going to do the work, but then 1 quart is 0.95 liters. 1 quart is 0.95 liters. I'll give you that, you can do. Let me write down. 1 quart, 1 quart. Let me erase this, guys. We will come back to this question set, I feel. 1 quart is equal to 0.95 liters. Now, can you tell me 10 liters is equal to how many quarts? Please don't shout out, send in your answers. You can use the butterfly pattern too. It's not a hard one. You can express it as a fraction, that's fine. But if you send it as a fraction, it has to be in simplified form. I think we need a lot of practice with the conversions.
Yeah.
That's what I feel. That's okay, ma. Discovering that and practicing that, you are going to be benefited. Don't worry at all.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah, ma.
Since it's kind of like flipped around, would you have to divide it instead?
Okay, why this confusion comes? Let me tell you why. Meaning, educate me why this confusion comes. Meaning, I'm asking you, why are you confused here? Go ahead. Did you draw the double bar?
No.
If you're not happy, double bar is what you follow in school, I know. Okay, but if you're not wanting to do the double bar as well, I can give you other. I can give you more ways of doing it. See, one is the double bar, right? Quart, liter. So 1 quart is 0.95 liters. Okay, they're asking for 10 liters. This is 1. They're asking for 10. What did they do here? The same thing you need to do here, right?
Yeah, that's what I've been doing.
10. So times 10. That's what
Yeah,
you
that's
need
what I
to do.
did. That's
Double
what I
bar
did.
is so easy. That's what you get here. Otherwise,
That's
what
what,
I'm saying is, do the butterfly. Okay.
No, that's what I
Wherever,
got.
let me finish, guys. Wherever there is question mark, don't take it into account. Okay. The other butterfly wing, multiply and write down. Divide by whatever is left on that question mark. 0.95 and question mark, right? 0.9. Oh, wait. Number, what did we do? Wait. 1 quart is equal to 0.95 liters. So we want to calculate for 10 liters, guys.
Yeah, so I was asking for, like, do we divide it?
10 liters we want. So 1 quart is 0.95 liters. So we want it for 10 liters. We don't know where is that 10 liters. So what I do? We want it for 10, we want it for 10 liters, right? What do we do now? 0.9.
Multiply 1 quart times point.
If you do the double bar, let's see how can I help you with this. You know 0.95, how did it become 10? First you divide it by 0.95 and multiply by 10. So your operation should be multiply by 10 divide by 0.95. So what happens here? What happens here? 10 divided by 0.95. That's what happens here. See? Cross multiplication also works. See, butterfly also works. What you need to do is, please leave the butterfly wing with the question mark. First do the other butterfly wing, 10 times 1. That divided by whatever is left out in the question mark butterfly wing, 0.95. In the double bar as well, what is making it difficult is, they give you that 1 quart is 0.95 liters. They are asking for 10 liters. So you need to see how this 0.95 became 10 liters. Whatever both are given, you need to check. How did this become? They divided by 0.95, making it 1, and then multiplied by a 10. So the operation you need to do on the other side is multiply by 10, divide by 0.95. That gives you 10 by 0.95. Pranavi, go ahead, ma.
No,
That's what you wanted to say? Okay, I take it.
No,
Uh-huh.
I was just asking if you had, yeah, like, it's the same thing.
Okay, great. Now, can you go ahead and simplify, ma Pranavi?
10,
No, how to simplify? This is not accepted. In a fraction, you cannot have
Times 100?
turn it into 100.
No, times 100.
What times 100?
Does it
Because
have to be a fraction or a decimal?
Fractions, the numerator and denominator should be numbers. Okay, 10 divided by 0.95 is not accepted. What should you
Yeah, but
do?
like, can you like
Oh,
simplify
you
that?
How?
multiply.
Tell me.
You can get 1,000 by 950.
Very nice. Multiply by 100, multiply by
yeah, that's
100.
what I said just now.
1000 by 95. That was clear. Viva. Go ahead.
And then you can you can turn that into 200 by 19.
200 by 19. Okay, Pranavi, continue. You wanted to continue, Pranavi?
That's like what I said. I said
What
times
is the
100.
answer, Ma? 200 by 19?
No, when I said like how would you simplify? I said time. You have to like multiply by
Yes, Ma,
100.
I want to continue. If you have the answer, please continue. I will know from you, right? 200 by 19 is what?
Oh, okay. It's
You want to go ahead? Okay, somebody else
yeah.
go ahead. How do you do 200 by 19? Tanishka, can you do 200 by 19?
Yeah, okay.
What is it?
Um, Wait, I'm not done solving it yet though.
Uh-huh. Ones are 19, 10, 0, then 0, 100, then 5, 9 fives are 45, 5 is 5, 95, 50, 19 twos are, right? So something will come here. So you can write the answer as 10.52
I
quarts.
got I got
I got
10.53.
10 and 10
10.53.
I got 10 and 10 19ths.
10,
And 10 19ths.
10 19s. Okay, I go with you. That's fine.
Um,
10
I
and 10.
10.
I got wait, what?
I got it, guys. I accept all of these answers. Anything of 10.5 rounded to the nearest tenth is good.
Oh,
Okay.
wow, you said 655. It's only 64.
What happened, Izzy? Did you get the answer already?
No, sorry. Someone came in there like, come on. And I was like, it's not.
Okay, can I go ahead and give you one more?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see one more conversion. Tough conversions we'll try. 4 days is how many seconds? 4
Uh,
days. 4 days is how many seconds? Is it hard? Okay, just convert it to minutes.
It would be
No. I just want you to convert it to minutes.
okay.
Minutes. So 1 day is how many minutes? One
Um,
day is how many minutes? That's
one
it.
day
Please,
is
please, please
3,600.
don't shout out answers. Okay. One day. Let's be respectful of each other. Please send the answer in chat so that I'll understand what each of your conversion strategy is. 1 day is how many minutes? I want all of you to answer this because I have no idea whether how some of you are following. Can we try? Don't be in a hurry. Sid, what was your problem? Why did you say no?
Because you asked how much 4 days was. So I was still doing that and then I
So your
realized
answer
wait.
is finalized, huh?
No, I'm solving it now.
Okay,
I
so
said my answer.
please write it down, guys. Start with day, minutes. Okay. But you're never going to do this first. Okay, hour minutes only you know, right? So start with that. 1 day I can write it out as 24 hours. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 24 hour is what I need to know. It's just a double bar. The butterfly wing, right? Leave the butterfly wing with a question mark. Multiply the other two.
25 times
24
60.
times 60
It's
divided by
1,000.
what? Let me finish.
26,400.
Guys, when I am talking, if you want to talk, I'll stop. Please, guys, okay? Whenever there is a butterfly pattern, I go with 24 times 60 and then what? Divide by the number left over with the other butterfly wing with the question mark by 1. So that's your answer here. 24 times 60 will be the number of minutes in one day. But I'm not getting answers from several of you. I'm not understanding whether it is
I
right
said
or wrong.
mine.
My
What was
answer.
mine? Is my answer correct?
Yeah, I told you the answer, guys. Let me show you the answer as well.
That you told us the answer?
1440. Makes sense, guys? Kanishka,
But
where did you get 10 for 40, ma?
but I
I
thought you
got 14402.
Yeah, me
I
too.
thought you
I'm
asked for 4
asking
days.
Kanishka, how did she get
She asked for
1440?
one.
Huh? How did you get 10 440?
Oh. Hold on.
How did you get a 10 440? Kanishka, you're going.
I
Sorry, tell me. Kanishka, are you talking? 1 minute, ma. Are you talking, Kanishka?
Me?
Yeah. Kanishka. Kanishka's answer was incorrect, right?
You.
Kanishka, are you talking?
No, she's.
Oh, okay. So,
Describe, ma. All are
yeah.
waiting, wait, ma. Sanskriti, you're right.
Can you give me a
Tanishka,
second? Can you give me a second, Miss Priya?
absolutely. Tanishka, is your answer right?
No.
Then can you correct it? Vihan, is your for 4 days did you measure Vihan?
Miss Priya, I have to go.
Yeah, you can go. Vihan, did you do for 4 days or one day, ma'am? Vihan, answer Vihan. Did you do for 4 days or one day?
4.
Huh?
4.
Okay, good. Karthik, good. Vaibhav, good. Yeah, you made it very clear. Good job, Adrit. Why are you
Yes.
not confident? You're correct. Sid, you're correct. Manya, did you do it for 4 or 1?
4.
Good. Very nice. Pranavi, very, very nice. Your both answers are correct, ma. Okay, Arnav.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I did it for 4 days. That's what I got again.
Oh, I see. Okay, that makes sense. Varnika, good job. Now, okay, I want to finish up with one more tough conversion. Let's see this one. Okay, one. How about this? You want tough conversions? I don't want to make it too hard. Let's see.
Oh, Miss Priya, I
Yeah.
I did this wrong. I did the times and then I put an extra 0.
But did you understand what was wrong, Amma?
Yeah.
Okay, can I give you one more question? Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 gallon is 3.79 liters. 1 gallon, I'll write it down for you. 1 gallon, 1 gallon is 3.75 liters, 3.79 liters. Can you do me the conversion for, let's see if I ask you for 1 minute, guys. 11.37 liters. Can you please tell me will convert to how many gallons? You are all going to be on yourself. I'll wait, guys, but the moment you answer it correct, you can leave. We only worked on conversion today. I'll come back to that last hard assignment.
Like
Let's
next
definitely
week.
do this correctly. I'll give you one more assignment on whatever conversions we did today. I
Miss
feel
Priya,
like
did I
this.
get it correct?
I can check, ma.
Same.
Arnav, you can log off. Sid, I am waiting for your answer. Vaibhav, good job, you can log off.
Doing it.
Take your time, guys. Varnika, good job. You can log off, ma. Good work. Have a nice week ahead, ma. I'll wait one by one. Tanishka, good job.
Wait, did you
G
say my
met a
answer?
gallon. I was thinking it's a gram and I was about to ask what is a
Yeah.
gram. Good job.
Okay, I found my answer. I did it.
Good job, Manya. You can log off. Have a nice week ahead. Kanishka, you did it. Good job. You can log off. Very nice
I'm
work.
almost done,
Thank
Miss.
you. Bye.
Sid, correct. You can log off as well.
Wait, did
Bye,
you
ma.
say my answer was correct?
I'll wait for each of you guys. Vihan, correct. Good job, Vihan.
Wait, would you have to divide
Excuse me,
1137 by
teacher.
379?
Did you say
That
my
I
answer
don't
was
know. You
correct?
have to explain to me. Huh? I can check ma Sanskriti. Karthik, good job. You can log off. Have a nice week ahead. Have a snowy day. See you next week.
Okay, bye.
Sanskriti, do I need to check your answer? Sanskriti, I'm waiting. I will wait. No hurry at all. You can do.
Teacher, did you say my answer was correct?
I didn't, but I can check. Because it doesn't show me as a new answer. I don't know what you did. Yes, Varnika, you can log off. Good job. Sanskriti, Adrit, I'm waiting. Pranavi, I'm waiting. What is the answer, guys?
1 sec.
Pranavi, you don't seem to be there. I have to move you to the waiting room.
No, I'm like right here.
Oh, you're there. Ah, okay.
Yeah, I'm just like
You're
leaning
not
down
on
and
the
doing the
video, ma.
problem.
Then I thought you're not there.
Oh,
I'll
I got
wait,
the
Pranavi.
answer. Okay.
Tell me, give it to me. Adrit, did you get it?
No, not yet.
See.
I got mine. I set my answer.
I can check. Pranavi, correct ma. You can log off. Good job, Pranavi. Sanskriti and Adrit. So basically, guys, do you want me to do the double? But it's like this, right? Leave the one with the question mark. The rest of it is 11.37. The denominator will be 3.79. But multiply by 100, multiply by 100, it becomes this, right? When you divide 1137 divide by 379 is a 3. What is the answer then? 3. Sanskriti, I worked it out for you. Answer is a 3.
Miss
Did you
Priya,
get
for
it?
some reason I got 3, but then it was like a decimal.
It won't be a decimal, right, ma?
Yeah.
It is a perfect 3, right, Adrit? Sanskriti, where are we, ma? Did you finish? Sanskriti, you have to open up and tell me where are we. I cannot. Yeah.
मैम ने तो 3 लिखा है 21
Where are we? Did you do?
मैम ने उल्टा लिखा
Yeah.
है क्या
Okay. What did you do?
So I did 1137 divided by 379 and I got 21.
You got a 21. Really? Why did you get a 21?
Because 379 times 2 equals 758. So then 758 is the closest that I got, and then I subtracted, and then 379 is what I got left, and then I did 1, and then that'd be no leftovers.
No. Did you simplify this? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Did you simplify?
No.
Then 375 times 1, 375 times 2, 379 times 3. Did you check? 379 times 3 is a 1137. Where did you get 21, ma? Should have been a 3 here. Did you get it? Sanskriti, are you on board with me?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
you are not. Where are you not on board? Meaning, did you make a mistake somewhere here to get a 21?
I think so. I think I made a mistake multiplying.
Oh, I see. 379. Okay, Adrit, did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, you can log off, Adrit.
Miss
Sanskriti, you
Priya,
will talk to your mom sometime.
Yeah, she's right over here. You can talk to her now.
I'll call her, ma. I have a class. Is that okay?
Got it. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, thank you, ma. I really appreciate it. Hi, guys. 1 second, ma. Let me first allow the others. How are you all, guys? Okay, let me take where we are. Let me just quickly see where we are. I'm here, guys. Did you all do your homework? Did you have any questions in the book questions? Always ping for answer key if you don't have.
Our
441.
homework, the PDF.
What, ma?
Wasn't our homework the rationals hard PDF?
Oh yeah, add and subtract was on PDF, yes. But we did only add and subtract, right? So I'm going to go with multiplication division. But Ashrita, what is that you did not understand? You said, ma?
So in the homework after the add and subtract, like just the problems, there were application problems.
Was it there for you? Okay.
Yeah. And it was on page
Was like to
15
the
of
end.
the PDF.
Oh my goodness. Okay, okay. Okay, I honestly didn't mean to give you so much.
I
Not
only
at
did
all.
the
Okay,
ones
okay.
where they were like just.
Guys, okay, okay. Guys, I should have been sorry, Ashrita. I should have been a little uh okay, let me go. Let me share and say what was wrong about it. I know what you are talking, Ashrita. Ma, simply I will never give this much of homework, please. Okay. So this was the only thing I expected you to do till here. Till page number 10 is enough.
Okay.
Makes sense. I'll never ask you to do more. Because you didn't even solve rational equations, guys. How can you do? Shall I go ahead? We will do one by one. There's a lot to do in rational functions. Okay, now I'm going to cover inverse variations. But I'm going to multiply and divide. Okay, multiplying and dividing, did we do last week? Guys, did we do multiplying dividing last week? Abhiram, did we
Yes.
do?
In the recording at the end, you did like one or two
One or two.
problems.
Okay, so let me do one more. I'm not pretty convinced with how with the number of problems I did on multiplication division. I will do multiplication division, then go to inverse variations, then come back to rational graphing and application problems. Okay, that's the plan. So let's do one or two multiplication. At least as a review, if I do multiplication division, we'll be able to find out where you lag and stuff. Let's see. Graphing is a major part of rational function, guys. I want to finish this class with with graphing rational functions. Abhiram, what are you doing in school? Can you explain to me?
Right now we just started Unit 7. We didn't get the materials yet, but
What is it on? Do you know?
uh not yet. I don't know what it's on yet.
Okay, anyway, you'll find whatever we do useful only. Let's go ahead. Okay, so if you can send me in advance, I'll make sure we get covered.
All
Okay,
right, thanks.
go ahead, guys. See, for next week, is it next week 25th, right? So our next class is on when? February 1, right? Okay, that's the day I am traveling. Okay, so I have not cancelled any of your classes. It will run as is, but if there is a delay anywhere, please watch out. Please be in the WhatsApp group. Okay, that's my request. Okay, if I get delayed with the flight or anything, because just before your class I'm coming back, meaning I'm reaching my destination. So if there is a problem, please bear with me. I will post you in the WhatsApp group, guys. Usually that does not happen and it's very rare. Okay, so please be watch out in the please have your eyes on in the WhatsApp group. If there is any emergency, I'll let you know. Make sense? Okay, let's go ahead. I forgot to tell the other group. I'll post it to your parents too. Try this one, multiplication, right? So first what do? You factorize the numerator, you factorize, take the commons out, take GCF, factorize the denominator, and then what do? The division you change into multiplication. Yes, ma'am. Guys, you're all too good. I don't think I need to revise this, I feel. Ashrita, Abhiram, you got it. Yes, Abhiram, you got it right. Ashrita, you got it. I'll wait, guys. We'll do one or two more problems for sure on this. Did you get it? Harshika, correct, ma. Harshika, you are able to cope, ma, with you missed some classes, right? Are you able to cope?
Yeah, I was traveling and I came back last week, but I'm watching the recordings right now, but I wasn't able to finish the homework yet.
Not at all a problem, I know, but I'm able to see your answers too. So as long as you are not, when you're not able to understand something, let me know. I'll help.
Okay.
I know you were traveling. You came on Jan 11th, right?
Yeah.
Not a problem at all. Hey, Yukti. It's pretty much simplifiable. That is not the answer. You will get a very small answer. Something somewhere is really wrong. Anya, did you get your answer, ma'am?
Oh yeah, I'm sending it right now.
Okay. You want me to do it on the board, Yukti, or good? Navya, did you get it?
How am I supposed to do this?
If you're having trouble, I'll definitely do. did you do? Yukti, I think Navya, you got it. Okay, no problem. I will go over. Okay, how did you simplify this? Minus x square plus x plus 20. What is the simplification, guys? What did you get? How did you all simplify? Can you tell me what is that?
So I got minus 1 x minus 5 x plus 4 divided
Minus
by
1.
x minus 5 x plus 4
That's better. X minus 5 x plus 4. Nice. And then
over
5x, you took
5x
it out.
x minus 5
Minus 5. And then multiplication.
by
Flip.
2x minus
Flip,
7
flip. Flip this. Now cancel. Then cancel. You end up with minus 1 minus 2x minus 4 minus 2x plus 14 divided by 5x. Yukti, did you get it?
Yeah.
How about Ananjay, you got it? Yeah, Ananjay, there is a sign mistake. Did you observe that?
Oh, actually, where's the okay, I'll fix
There was
that.
a sign mistake. Let me see. Let me go back, please. Yeah, do you see? I'm getting minus 2x plus 14. You're getting. You forgot to distribute the minus, Amma.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Did you? Not a problem. As long as you learn, I'm fine. Can I move on?
Mm.
Okay. Here, what you did not carry over this minus to the inside as well. So that becomes a plus. Okay. I think we'll move on. Okay. I just need maybe one more problem in this harder one. Then I'll do after reviewing this. I want to do. Oh wow. Okay. How about this? Let's see. This is a hard. This is not a hard one, but this tests you with everything. Okay, guys. This is the last one we'll do. Then I'm going to go to inverse variations. This tests you on your addition, subtraction, multiplication, everything. You just get a weird answer though. That's okay. You can send me the weird answer. Did you get it? I'll help. It's a weird one, but see whether you're able to add and subtract. That's all. Is it too weird? You will get a weird answer. That's all. want me to do? X square minus 4, I will write it down as x plus 2, x minus 2, 8 if I take it, x plus 2. Wow, that gets absolutely cancelled. Oh, that's a good thing. Did you see that? I didn't expect that. This one is what, ma? 6
That
4s are 20.
is x plus 6x minus 4.
6 4s are 24, right?
X plus 6x minus 4.
Thank you, ma. I just want to be sure. X minus 8. So this and this get cancelled. For your sake, I'm doing it so that we don't waste time. Please don't abuse. You do it. Check. If you don't get it, ask. Oh wow. See this one, guys. This is interesting what you're getting. See, a plus b, a minus b. I didn't see this. A plus b, a minus b you're getting. So what is this? How can I write it? What is that? I can write it out as? That's it. Did you get it? 9 by x minus 4 the whole square minus x square by 64. Did that make sense? If you want, you can simplify it further as well. To be precise, you can simplify it further as well.
I don't get this.
Did you get it, guys?
Yeah, I got the same answer.
Okay, that's good. Basically, if you know to add, see, you can simplify this further. You can take the LCM, cross multiply. You can simplify that further as well if you want to. Shall we move on to inverse variations? We can solve rational. See this one. We can solve rational equations quickly. Yeah, I really want you to be able to solve rational equations. Always, guys, you should remember the excluded values as well. Can I move on? Stop. Yes, no, anything is okay, but please open it. Thanks. He gave a thumbs up, so I'm just moving on. Okay, how about this? Suppose if you're given an equation, let's try this one. 8 by x plus 3 equal to x plus 1 by x plus 6. If you're given an equation, right, how do you solve it? Can we solve for x here? Can we solve for x here? Well, first let's write down the excluded values. Please, guys, if you solve equations, please write the excluded values first. Excluded values, if you get them in the answer, you should exclude them. Minus 3, minus 6. Please write the excluded values. Now go ahead and solve. Solve means it's just cross multiplication or taking LCM, however you want to solve. It's just fraction, right? Done. Oh wow, Ananjay, Navneet, you got it, guys. See, you're able to solve rational equations by yourself. If you're thorough with the operations, you can solve the equations nicely. Anya, did you get it, ma? Sri Charan, are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay. If you're not, just message me, right? Nice, Ashrita. When is your exam, Ashrita?
So we sign up for it on February 2nd, so I don't know until after that.
Oh, really?
But the testing day is from March to April 2nd. I can pull the dates up.
Oh my goodness, March.
The testing window is from March 23rd to April 2nd.
Ashrita, then I really want you to start doing.
I started doing logarithm and exponential.
Oh, very nice, lady. But you have to let me know where you're stuck. I'll help you with every step wherever you need.
Okay. I'm currently on exponential and it's not that bad because I already remember it from Algebra 1.
Yeah, and you know what? Exponential function transformation, you can really remember whatever base transformation you did applies
Yeah.
to exponent. Even for log, it's the same thing. Transformation should be easy, but what is not easy is condensing, expanding properties of logs. I'll help you with all that, but keep me posted.
Okay.
Okay, but you just start now itself so that you're not dependent on me. You see what I mean?
Yes.
We have less to cover, but I don't want to commit. Sricharan, correct. Yeah, Harika, 100% I can do. Navya, correct. Abhiram, correct. Okay, Harika wants it. So let me go ahead. So, guys, this is just a fraction given like this, right? So you just cross multiply. That also works, right? Proportionality strategy. 8 times x plus 6 will be equal to x plus 1 times x plus 3. What is that? 8x plus 48 equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. So x square minus 4x, 3 goes of 45, right? Equal to 0, x equal to minus 9. 1 minute, guys. Minus 9 and then 5. When you factorize this, minus 9 and 5. Makes sense?
Yes.
Harika, can I move on? Okay, we'll do some more equations. Some real world problems, but in that class I did not do this. Okay, let's see. I want you to solve a better equation that is hard with excluded values. Let me see. I really wanted to be able to solve. This is good. Okay, guys, this is the last problem we'll solve though, but this is good. X square minus 29. Here it would be x square minus 10x plus 21. X square minus 10x plus 21. This is a good one. It's a little tricky. Please write the excluded values first. X square minus 29.
Is the top one x squared minus 29 or x minus 29?
X square minus x square minus 29 divide by x square minus 10x plus 21, so equals 6 by x minus 7 plus 5 by x minus 3. We'll do this rational equation and we'll move on to inverse variation and rational functions graphing. See, I wish I had done some equations with the other class. I didn't do. It's a good one. The harder part in rational functions is only the graphing, guys. Ananjay, you got tricked. You made a mistake. That's why I gave you this problem. What was that?
Oh, yeah, I forgot the exceptions. I'm sorry.
Yes, no, ma, absolutely no problem.
Mm-hmm.
Ashrita correct. Ananjay correct. Very nice, Abhiram. You caught it. Good job. Guys, make sure you all answer. Guys, don't make me to bug you. If you don't know, you don't know. Agreed. Yeah. Yes, yes, Abhiram. Correct. So, please write down, when it comes to rational functions, rational expressions, please write down the excluded values and make sure you don't include them in your answer. It's a common trick that they give problems like this and make one of the answers. You will get one answer that is in the excluded value that you should not include in your solution. Harika correct, ma. Navneet correct. Navya, Anya, did you get it? Yukti, Sahana, did you get it?
Yeah, I'm almost at the answer.
Yeah, no pressure, ma. Yeah, Navya. Okay. For the others who did, let me go to inverse variations. I know I have not done word problems. It's okay, guys. We'll come back, okay? Word problems are a whole big monster. Okay, but I want you to know partial function derivation and inverse variations, okay? So I'm going to go a little bit back. Okay, now guys, if you want me to wait, I'll definitely wait. Correct, x equal to 8 is the answer, but you'll get the answer as 8 and 3. 3 is one of the excluded values, 8 is the only answer. Okay, I'll move on to inverse variations. You all have studied direct variations. What is direct variation and when did you study? Do you remember? What is a direct variation? What is a direct variation? This is a proportionality symbol that we use in India. We don't use it here, I know, but I want you guys to know. This is the proportion symbol. X is equal to ky. Oh my god, y equal to kx you've studied, right guys?
Yeah.
Y is proportional to x, y is equal to k. So this is, we would say x and y are in direct proportion. The other name is, this we studied in your 7th grade. K is your constant of proportionality. Correct? Proportionality. This is called direct variation. They are, what does that mean? Y rises, x rises. Y decreases, x decreases. Any questions here? Any questions here, guys?
No.
So direct variation, you know, right? Okay, now here, what is it then? Inverse variation. What can be inverse variation? Y is inversely proportional to x means y increases, x decreases. Because see, denominator decreases, y increases. Y decreases, x. I mean, it should have been the other way. You see, input is always, that's okay. Meaning this is the relation, but input is always x. X increases, y decreases. The other way. So, how can I write this? There, I wrote it as y equal to kx, correct? Here, I would write it out as y equal to k by x. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
That's it. The inverse variations is very easy. But, you know, the harder part is, let me see, I'll give you some problems. Okay, let's see, guys. See whether you're able to see. You have your formula noted, so you should know when two quantities are inversely varying, then you know the formula. Basically, if x and y are the quantities, y equal to k by x, correct? Now let's see. How about this? Let's see this one. I am going to give this to you. Control. Oh my god, it's not copying the way I wanted to. Okay, no problem, guys. Give me 1 minute. Okay, how about this? Okay, how about this? No, I can't give it to you like this. Hold on, guys. I will stop share. Okay, I'll go to notepad. It's not. I don't know what it is doing. Give me a minute, guys. It's not. I'm not able to copy those questions. Let's see. Okay, let me reshare my board. There is no point. Give me a minute. Share. Okay, so we are good with this. Let me see. How about this? This should be okay. You are going to try, okay? If you don't know, then I'll do. The time t in hours it takes to copy a document varies inversely with the number of machines m. If 4 machines take 6 hours, how long will 8 machines take? Literally, the two quantities m and t are inversely proportional. So you can use your formula. So they have given 4 machines take 6 hours. What you can find from there? You can find the constant of proportionality. You can find the constant of but they are inversely varying. So you need to find you need to use the inverse variation formula, find the constant of proportionality, use that to find out the time when there are 8 machines. These are not hard ones, but if you think it's hard, I'll work it out. You get it? I don't know the answer for this one. Do I have? Yeah, I got several answers. Correct, Navneet, Ashruta, correct. Ananji, correct. Harshika, correct. Sri Charan, correct. Anya, are you getting the answer?
I don't know. I forgot how to do this.
No problem. Then you can say it out, Anya. Abhiram, are you getting it? Yukti, can I explain?
Yeah, I'm writing it.
Sure. Okay. How about this? I told you T varies inversely with M. T varies inversely with M. Or I can write it out as T equal to K by M. Now, 4 machines take 6 hours. So K will be equal to 24. I can use this K is always constant, right? What they're asking is M is 8. What is T? You know the formula. T equal to K by M. So you don't know the T value, but you know this 24 by 8. 3 hours. Any questions, guys? Navya, did you understand that much?
Yes.
So, to summarize, what did I do? I used the given to find out my inverse constant, the constant of proportionality in the inverse variation I found out. I had that. I can use it anywhere. In the other case, only M is given. I have to find T. I can use this constant of proportionality to find out T. Okay, one more question. These are simple questions, but you are likely to get it. Okay, how about this? Okay. This is an easy one. This is a very easy one, very similar to what we did. Okay. But I don't know whether to give you this. But let's see. Do this one. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I really want to do this. This is a slightly different question. I'll do it, guys. First, I'll do second one. Second problem, I'll do. I think you all got it. Navneet, Anya, Ashrita, everybody got it. Yukti, is it 3 ma?
Oh, that was for the previous question.
Oh, okay. Harshika correct. Ananjay correct. Navya correct. Yukti correct. Anybody not understanding? Sahana, are you getting ma?
Yeah, I'm just like doing it slowly.
No problem at all as long as you're good.
That's Priya. What does varies jointly mean?
That's what I'm going to do. Okay.
It's like joint variation.
Yeah, joint, but see, jointly with its mass and acceleration means force acting on an object varies jointly means is equal to basically varies jointly. They did not give inverse. So K times M times A. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Akshata? I gave you the clue. I think you can proceed, I feel. If you can't, let me know. Yeah, this is a good physics question. I'm going to give it to you guys. You're going to find, okay? This is a physics question. You are going to learn this sometime whenever you take physics, but you can try this now. The next one. Both, please number them and send the answer. Then I
We
won't.
did something like this in science this unit.
Oh, this unit. Wow. So you're studying gravitational law now?
No, we just learned Newton's second law of like acceleration.
Oh, Newton's second law is okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Newton's second law is very different from this one. Is F is equal to what? F is equal to K m1 m2 by d square. You learn it a little later. Initially, you study Newton laws. Oh wow, Anya, you're on a roll, I think. Is that right, ma? Oh, for the first one, Anya.
Yeah.
Correct.
I also just sent the second one.
Navneet correct. Sri Charan correct. Second one, I feel it's incorrect, Manya.
Can you explain it then?
Yeah, absolutely. I just thought somebody will say I will definitely go over 160 Amma. You each of you are getting one answer. Can I try doing it? The second one, I feel like gravitational law is messing up everybody. Let's see. First one, no.
Did I get it?
Yeah. Yukti, the first one is not correct. Navya, you got both correct.
Oh wait, I know what I did wrong.
Harshika, both correct. Ashruta, correct on the first one. Anya, not really Anya. Okay, I will do both because I have gotten incorrect answers on first and second. So jointly means it's like this KMA I gave you. If a force of 24 Newton is produced when a mass of 6 kg and acceleration is 4, that means K is 1. I found that out. Okay, find the mass, find the force. We have to find the force. So what is the force when K is equal to 1, mass is 10, acceleration is 3, F is equal to 30 newtons. Any question, guys? I would really like to see with the units since it is physics. Can I move on? Whoever said 19.2, can you check how you got 30? Please, if you don't get it, you have to say.
I got 30. I was the one that got 19.2. I got the 30, but I thought it would be like 30 divided by. You said the inverse, right?
No. There is no inverse in here, right? It's a giant variation problem.
Oh, so if it's joint, like there's no like proportion or
You're
anything. It's
doing
just
KM. There is proportionality, but force is directly proportional to M and A, and you have the constant of proportionality here.
Oh, okay. That was simple.
No worries. Jointly means there are multiple quantities, that's all. M and A are two different quantities, F is another quantity. So F is a quantity that directly varies with two quantities. That's why it's called joint variation. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. The gravitational force between two objects, Abhiram, I hope you are following too. The gravitational force F between two objects varies jointly with their masses. So, see, let me put that K varies jointly with their masses m1, m2 and inversely with the square of the distance. You see? Do I make sense when I do this?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, now can you go proceed with this and send me the answer for the second one? You just plug in so many values and find out the force value wherever it's needed. Let's see. Navaneet, correct Navaneet, I think. Abhiram, correct. Oh, no problem, Abhiram. Thanks for letting me know. I appreciate it. Did you get it, guys? I think I will move on. If you guys don't stop me, I'll keep moving on. Yes, Ashrita, both are correct. Yukti, second one seems wrong. Yukti. Okay, if the force is 80 units, I'll put it down here. Okay?
Oh, sorry, I didn't see the exponent. The D.
Oh, I see. Okay, then it's okay, as long as you realize I'm fine. How about the others? Did you guys get it? Okay, I'll move on then. Okay, the answer should be what, 20? Huh? What was the answer? I did not remember. Answer was 20 units. The answer here is 20 units. If you didn't get it or have a problem, you can let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to.
How will it be 20 units? Because how would it apply to how would the formula apply to the first one then?
Oh, no. Amma, first one, did you already understand?
No, the second one, but the first part.
Sure, I will do. The force is 80 units when M1 is 5, 8K divided by 4. Now, how do I do K? K will be 4 times 80 divided by 5 times 8, right? Now, K is 8. Now, I'll use that, okay? But wait. Now, when I have to calculate force, but I know.
Oh wait, I get it.
Okay, you got it. 10, 4 by 16. 8 to 2, 20. Make sense?
Yeah.
Let's move on. Okay. Now, coming to rational functions, right? Class flies for me. Okay. Coming to rational functions graphing, right, guys? See, for the transformation, I am not going to teach you from the first. You know everything, okay? Transformation. So let's see how we do. F of x equal to 1 by x. Can I see your graphs? Can you put up a table? Put values for x and y. Let me give you values what you can do. 3 negative, 3 positive values. Minus 10, minus 5, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 5, 10. Let these be your values. Positive, negative values along with 0. Can you plot it into a coordinate plane and show me? How do you get the graph? This is the parent graph, right? We are going to discuss the properties of this graph and then show some put in some transformations and plot the graph. That's all. Go ahead, ma. Did you get it? Can I help? If you really need help, you have to quickly bug me. Then only we'll know. I'm trying whether you can figure it out. It's okay if you don't figure it out. I'll go ahead and explain. Did you get it, ma? Y will be equal to, this is 0.1 minus 0.1, right, guys? Minus 5 is minus 0.1 by minus 5, right? Point. This is 1 by minus 1. 1 by minus 1 is minus 1, right? Then 0 is undefined. 1 is 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 0.5, 1 by 5 is 0.2, 1 by 10 is 0.1. I'm going to graph this, that's all. Parent function graphing should not be that hard as my thought. Yeah, Harshika. So did you plot the graph? Did you guys get the graph? Yes, Sri Charan, I'm seeing. Can I? I'm not able to see Sri Charan properly. Sorry, Sri Charan, something is not right. Have you? You blurred background, huh?
No, I'll draw a bigger one.
Yeah. Sorry.
Wait, Miss Priya, do you want us to hold it up to the camera?
Yeah, ma, please. Then
okay.
you know. Otherwise, I'll go ahead and draw you. I'll rely on you. That's ma. If you blur your background, I cannot see, ma. You have to unblur and then blur. What to do? So I can show the graph as well. Yes. Oh, that's right. Very nice graph. Very, very nice. Yes, ma. That's perfectly right, Ashrita. Perfectly right, Yukti. Sri Charan, I'm not really able to see. Yes. Yes, Sri Charan, wonderful. So, minus 10 is minus 0.1, minus 10 is minus 0.1, so less, right? It's here, somewhere here. Yes, Anya, you're blurred your background, I cannot see, ma'am. 5 is minus 0.2. Anya, unless you unblur your background, I cannot see. Same with Harsh. Yes, Anya, you can blur your background. Excellent graph. Harshika, you have blurred your background too, so I cannot see. Minus 1 is a minus 1. So it is just this, guys. It will go like this basically. It won't touch the y-axis. It won't touch the y-axis. Yes, correct, Maharshika. You can blur it back. Yes. Done, guys. Your graph will be something like this. Now you know what I want you to do. I want you to define the domain in interval notation. Then what in set notation, inequality notation. Can you give me that? The domain of this graph. Did you get it? Go ahead, guys. Yes. Did you get it? Can I talk to you about the domain in interval set and inequality notation? Shall we discuss? If you're done with the graph, then we can discuss.
I know how to do it for interval and inequality, but I don't know how to do it for set.
No problem. We'll go ahead and do. Similarly, next one, what would I want is, I'll tell you what and all I want. Range, because you need to be well aware of how to define all these. Interval, set notation, inequality notation. And then you know what I want? End behavior. And then you know what I want? I don't have it ready with me. Let me see. What else I want? On the properties, right? Domain, range, end behavior, I asked you. What I have no idea where they are. You can check, but I have no idea. Yeah, that's all. Those are the things I want. We can do one by one. Okay. Odd function, even function. That I want. Odd or even function I want. Symmetry you can discuss. You can discuss whatever you need. And then, the excellent part is asymptote. So all these we are going to discuss. We'll discuss one by one. Domain and interval notation, who can tell me? It's okay, guys. Make mistakes and learn. That's why we are in this class. Go ahead.
Negative infinity, comma 0.
Negative infinity, comma 0. Good job. Negative infinity, because it extends from negative infinity to 0, but 0 is not covered. Okay, so parenthesis. Then
Union.
Union.
0, comma
0, comma infinity.
Very nice. So inequality says minus infinity less than x is less than infinity. Okay. Set notation. You start with a curly braces, end with a curly braces. You say domain, right? You write out x, then put a pipe symbol. You can just say x is an element of real number, x not equal to 0. Make sense?
Okay.
If you find it so tough, for set notation, what you can do, x, pipe symbol, put whatever is in the inequality. Minus infinity less than x is less than infinity. This is very much valid.
Wait, so Miss Priya,
Go ahead.
so are you not able to use like the union symbol in set, or can you?
You want to use this in here?
Okay.
I don't want you to, because in the restrictions you don't need to do the interval. You have to either write the inequality or write it in the set notation form itself. X is an element of all real numbers, comma, x not equal to 0. This sort of a thing is valid, but you would not want to write the interval notation inside the set notation. Make sense?
Yeah.
In tests, would they accept if we do it the second way for set notation, like writing the inequality inside, or do we have to do it like the x?
You don't need to do this, ma. This is fine. Meaning, if I was the teacher, I would definitely accept it as long as you understand what you're meaning. You don't need to write this at all.
Okay.
Okay. I would not expect your teacher to expect that as well, honestly. Okay. But you see, if you're writing the CB, you don't have to be that bothered. Okay, they will give you clues on what they want.
Okay.
Range, what is the range, guys? Anybody can say. Everything will convert to y, so it will be minus infinity to 0, again union 0 to infinity. Inequality says minus infinity is less than y is less than infinity. Set notation says y, same thing, y is an element of R, y not equal to 0. Make sense? Okay, now coming to end behavior. As x tends to minus infinity, y tends to what?
Minus infinity.
Really?
Right.
As x tends to infinity, what does the graph, where does the graph go to?
0. 0.
0. Amma, are you all understanding? The graph is going to 0, right? Extending to minus infinity, graph wants to go to 0, right?
Yes.
As x tends to plus infinity, where does the graph want to go? Where does the graph want to go?
0.
Y also goes to 0.
0, yes. You got it?
Mhm.
Now, is this graph odd or even, guys? Is this graph odd or even? Do you remember how to do? If you don't remember, I'll help you. Just asking. Do you know how to do odd
No.
or even? No problem. Okay. We did this in the initial pamphlet that I gave you, right? 17 functions. You have to find out the symmetry. Graphically, how do you find the symmetry? If the graph is symmetric about y-axis. If any graph is symmetric about y-axis, means the function is even. If the graph is symmetric about origin, means the graph is odd. O, we studied like that. O, remember like that I said. Symmetric about the origin means graph is odd. Symmetric about the y-axis means the graph is even. So what type of function is this? What type of function is this? Symmetric about what?
Origin.
Origin, so it is odd. Symmetry is about origin. Okay, now what is this big piece? Please let me clear this. Draw the graph again. I will tell you about this asymptote. It has a big story to it. You know what are asymptotes?
Yes, it's like the value that's trying to reach.
Yeah, trying to reach. So what can be the asymptotes here? How many asymptotes are there? One is clearly this. What is the other asymptote?
Y equals to 0.
Exactly. This is the other asymptote. So you have a vertical asymptote. What is the vertical asymptote? It's a line. Whatsoever it's a line. What is the equation of that line? You have to say.
X equals 0.
Vertical asymptote is x equal to 0. What is the horizontal asymptote?
Y
Y
equals 0.
equals to 0.
Exactly. You know what? With this rational function, the biggest problem, this is the simplest rational function. So it has only two asymptotes. You know, there are rational functions where you get three asymptotes. 1, 2, 3. And your graph goes like this, goes like this, goes like this. All this will come. That's when the rational function graphing becomes difficult. Okay. So finding the asymptote is very important. Okay. One more quick thing, guys. Do you know the graph for this? I know if I had time, I would have asked you to draw the graph, but I'll tell you. It goes like this. What type of function is this? What type of function is this? Even or odd?
Even.
Even.
That's what. So 1 by x square is an even rational function. 1 by x is the odd rational function. Go back to the pamphlet. It clearly lists the properties. Go back to the first pamphlet that was given to you on the second week or so. 1 by x is listed as odd rational function. 1 by x square is even rational function. The properties of each of this, please go over. If you don't have access to it, please ask. I will send it to you. Okay. Now, suppose if it is, we'll quickly discuss some of the transformations, if you don't mind. How about if I give you 1 by x minus 5? What type of transformation is this?
Right 5.
Good job. Right 5, because this is a horizontal transformation. How about this, ma?
Up 5.
Up 5. Good job. How about this?
Down 5.
See, but the problem is, in rational functions, down 5 means what happens? What moves down, basically? First,
The asymptote.
Yeah, first move the asymptote down, but the vertical asymptote remains as it is. So what happens? This is your vertical asymptote, this is your horizontal asymptote. So the graph here that was there, right? Now the graph moves like this. You guys get it?
Wait, so Miss Priya, for the 1 over x minus 5, the vertical
We
asymptote
can
would...
try that. 1 over, this is what, my god, what is this? I'm not able to write. 1 by x minus 5. How can I do this?
Or that vertical
Okay, this is my
asymptote.
parent function, right?
Yeah.
So now first I always, asymptote is the main thing that defines a rational function. Okay, so my horizontal asymptote moves 5 units. So I'll move that first. This is my horizontal asymptote. Okay, x equal to 5, and then y equal to 0 remains as it is. So my graph will look like what? Let me do it in a different color. It'll appear like this. Make sense, ma?
Okay.
That is what is movement. Now guys, we'll quickly discuss more. Minus 1 by x is what?
It's just a reflection.
Reflection on?
I don't think they specify it. They just say that it's a reflection in our school.
Suppose if I say like this, what would happen then? It's a different
Would that
reflection, is
be
it?
horizontal? So the one on top is vertical and the one on the bottom is horizontal.
What is the other way of saying reflection on where?
The top one is reflection on the x-axis and the bottom one is on the y.
Top one is reflection on the x-axis means this one, let's draw this. Is a reflection on the x-axis, right? So what happens? This graph will get reflected like this. This one will get reflected on the x-axis. So this will be my final graph. You got it? Now if it is a reflection on the y-axis, right? This one is a reflection on the y-axis, right? So what would happen? This will switch.
Are those still the same graphs?
It will be the same graphs, but this comes here. Do you get it?
Okay.
Okay. Now the last one or two things. How about 2 by x? How is it different by 1 by 2x? What is the difference?
The one on top is a vertical stretch. The one on the bottom is a horizontal compression.
Vertical stretch by 2. This one is?
Horizontal compression.
Good. Horizontal compression by?
1/2.
Half. Always, if it is horizontal, then you reciprocal it and tell me that. Make sense? But what I have not covered for you is combining everything and showing it in a graph. That I did it in the previous class, but I did not cover rational equations for them. That's okay. So we will cover that graphing next week. Any questions for me?
No.
Okay, I'll stop here, but graphing we'll deal with it in detail next class when we meet. But please bear with me if there is any changes. Okay, I plan to reach by 1 o'clock and take class for you at 3 o'clock. So it's going to be a little tussle. Let's see. Okay, guys. What other questions do you have for me? No questions? Then have a snowy day. Have a holiday tomorrow if your school declares it. Have fun. See you next week.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
See you.
Priya, bye.
Priya?
Hi guys, I'm here.
I wasn't there for class last week, and you had said that you would go for question number 71 on like the algebra test.
Yes, I
Could you just let me know of the answer, and I could just figure it out?
No, I think question number 71 was incorrect, right? No.
Yeah, I had sent you like an email, but then I couldn't come to class that week that you were explaining it. So
Oh, that's okay. What did we dis? Oh, I see. When we discussed, you were not in class, huh?
yeah,
Oh, wait, I don't remember. I have to see. Algebra 2 retake. Where is the main form? What was it? What algebra 2? What was the form name? Text mastery.
it was about the linear. It was like which one of these is linear as
No,
I'm
no,
trying
no,
to find
no.
it.
I really want to know what was the form name. Do you have it with you now?
I can pull it up because I don't think I have the. I don't know if I have the exact question, but
Why you would have gotten an email, right?
oh wait, oh yes I do. It asked if a polynomial division by. Do you want me to share my screen?
Please, ma. Yes,
Yeah,
yes. Wait, I'll stop the screen. I'll stop the recording. Wait.
yeah,
Then you can share the screen because it YouTube.
yeah.